All right now everybody, welcome back. We're out here at the tree service and I'm going to try to buck these large pieces of oak up and get them out of the way. Now they're really close together, so I'll have a hard time with getting kickback on the tip of my saw on this next log over, and that's a shame because they're both propped up on this end by a small piece of wood. There's a smaller round under them, but if I roll this one, it's going to roll off the end of that, so we'll just see what happens. I may have to roll that thing a little bit and get it out of the way. Like I said, it's just a little bit crowded to get my saw in there. So also, it's time to finally put a new chain on my saw. So I'm going to get that going here next. Now, for wood this big, I don't want to sharpen that last chain that I have. It's really bad out of whack, down to nothing. So I'm going to go ahead, put a fresh chain on. Hopefully I don't get it in the dirt. So that's what's going to happen next. You guys go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, come back and watch more. We're hopefully going to get this stuff bucked up today and move it out of the way, get it ready for the splitter coming up here as soon as possible. It's been raining a lot. There's rain in the forecast. So give me 1 second and I'm going to change this saw chain. Now I can't use the tailgate on my truck, so I'll probably have to do it on this wood. But I'll go ahead and record that, put it on a high speed. Here we go. Got that new chain on there. You can see that looking good. So it's time to get cutting here. Looking forward to it. So let me get all my gear on now. I got to get my chaps on and my ear protection and all that, and then we're going to come back and I'm just going to dive into this thing. I don't really know how I'm going to approach it. I'm going to take one slice off of the far end and just kind of see how she behaves and if I can move it or roll it. Probably just have to roll it onto the ground and buck it on the ground. Try not to get in the dirt there. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back with you. Ain't that a bummer? Woo! All right, now everybody, definitely going to be noodling these down. Don't have a log lift, so that's what's up next. I think there was 8 of them in the first one and probably about the same in the second, but I just left those kind of staged over here to the right, and I can noodle them and toss the thrower. I can noodle them and toss the smaller pieces, just kind of throw them right over here into the wood pile area. But that's what's next. I got to be able to get my splitter right in here and split this stuff. Shouldn't be a problem. It's pretty close to the final destination there. So let me get noodling. And also, if you watched the video, there was a real pretty purple flower I saw the other day and a couple videos ago, maybe the last video. But that's what it is. I think it's an ivy leaf morning glory. Now I picked that thing out of the ground. I used my axe, and it's not happy right now. It's been in the sun and it started to kind of wilt and shrivel up a little bit there. But I put some water on it, put it in the shade. Where'd it go? Now there's no seeds on it, which is disappointing. It's got some flowers there that are going to open, but that is an annual and it comes back from seed every year. So don't know if I'll get any seeds this year or what I'm going to do with it, because it's almost October and that will die on the first frost. So unless I can get some seeds in the next 3 weeks, I don't know how to handle that. I may just have to plant it in my flower bed and see if it comes back. But I really wish it would, because it's so pretty. But we're going to work on that, see what I can do there. Now let me get noodling. All right, now good people of YouTube, I got this wood all noodled down. Didn't record it, just a bunch of work, a bunch of noodling. So I got it all staged, and I'll put the splitter somewhere in this area. I don't know, maybe right here in the middle and back it up. doesn't really matter. It's all close enough. I can pull up beside it here and throw it right up on the pile there. It's all pretty close. So that was probably about a quart of wood. So I got to get that split up sometime whenever it's done raining and all that. But I'll be back with the splitter. I'm sure you'll see that next time. Thanks for watching. All right now. Okay, man.